To get the most out of your pool this summer, you'll want to keep it healthy, clean, and well maintained. With the Baquacil CDX system, you can start enjoying your pool faster, and we can show you how. To start, you'll need to fill your pool with water. Be sure to check your pool owner's manual to determine proper fill lines for your individual pool. Filter maintenance can begin once your pool is filled to the proper level. If this is a brand new pool, no filter maintenance should be necessary. Once replaced or cleaned, you're now ready to get your pump and filter started. Next, vacuum your pool. Make sure you let your filter run for 24 hours to catch any remaining debris in your pool. While your pool is filtering, calculate the volume of your pool to determine the right amount of chemicals to use. If needed, your Baquacil dealer can calculate the volume for you. Your Baquacil dealer can also do a complete water analysis for you. If they find that your pool water contains metals, be sure to add 1 bottle of Baquacil Metal Control for every 10,000 gallons of pool water and let the water circulate for 8 to 12 continuous hours. Regardless of metal analysis results, it's important to remember that all plaster pools must be treated with Baquacil Metal Control. Once your pool has been completely balanced, add the 3 core Baquacil CDX products: Sanitizer and Algistat, Oxidizer, and CDX. First, add Baquacil Sanitizer and Algistat directly to the pool. To achieve a 50 part per million sanitizer level, use 1/2 gallon bottle for every 10,000 gallons of water. Now, add a startup dose of Baquacil Oxidizer directly in front of the pool skimmer. A startup dose is 1 gallon bottle for every 10,000 gallons of pool water. The next step in keeping your pool clean and maintained is to add an initial dose of the Baquacil CDX product. An initial dose is 1 pint per 10,000 gallons of pool water, which you pour directly into the pool skimmer. Once completed, you are now ready to begin your weekly pool care routine. During the week, be sure to perform pool housekeeping tasks, such as skimming, brushing, and vacuuming the pool. It's also important to keep up with your pool's filter maintenance. Check for and remove any debris from the skimmer and pump baskets. As part of your weekly pool care routine, test the Baquacil sanitizer level. To do this, use Baquacil test strips and top up if necessary. Be sure to keep the sanitizer level between 40 and 50 parts per million. For exact dosing, follow the top-up dosage chart in the Baquacil Care Guide. Another step in weekly pool maintenance is to add the Baquacil Oxidizer to your pool at a dose of 1 quart per 10,000 gallons of pool water, poured directly in front of the skimmer with the pump running. Your pool now needs a dose of Baquacil CDX. Add 1 pint of Baquacil CDX for every 10,000 gallons of pool water. With the pump running, add this directly into the pool skimmer. It's very important to remember to always add Baquacil CDX immediately after the addition of the oxidizer. In regions with high summer temperatures or pools with a history of algae problems, we recommend that you use Baquacil Algicide or Baquacil Performance Algicide and follow the label directions for a preventative algae program. Get the most of your pool this summer and use Baquacil CDX System to help keep your pool healthy, clean, and maintained.